kung ayaw mo magmukhang negastar. Have you heard of that? Negastar. Lahat na lang may complaint siya. Diba? Kung nag-lunch out kayo, kailangan may issue lagi. Diba? I get it. Some people are really extreme. But there are people who complain at the right time and at the right place. Right? So the traditional corporate value is, huwag kang maging nega. Magpasalamat ka, at least meron ka, yung iba nga wala. Okay na yan. Kesa naman sa wala. But we don't want this mindset. The mindset we have is we need to be realistic. And that is, if it really is not going to meet the standards of the company, call it out. And it's fair to call it out because we deserve better. Di ba, ang mindset usually is, kapag kunyari ang internet hindi gumagana, so you say, ano ba yan, Globe, PLDT, di gumagana ang internet nyo. And then someone on the internet's gonna shout out, di ko na lang kayo maging router. Which, by the way, is, I'm gonna use the word stupid because it is not in my power to change these things. So there are moments wherein the only power given to you is to complain. But you can't do anything about it. Which means what? It's okay to complain. Right? In the Philippines, we have this culture na bawal magreklamo kapag wala kang solusyon. I disagree with that. There are moments in life where the only thing left for you to do is to complain, and you can stop there. You call it out. The rest of the people who ought to do something about it must be the one to act on it. So in the case of the internet connection, if I'm complaining, you better step up because I'm paying this amount of money every month. You promised me this amount of megabytes per second. I'm not getting it. Anong gagawin ko? Anong magagawa? I can only complain. So let's not demonize people that when they complain and they can't provide a solution, they're wrong. And that they're too demanding. Sometimes it's okay to do that, but sometimes it's also okay to not have any solution at all. So be realistic. What is psychological safety? When people want to ask for help, when people want to share even if it's out of their scope, when people want to speak up and people want to become realistic, it means they may be disagreeing. And sometimes disagreeing can be okay for a company.